Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at the supplier management feature. Okay, so let's get to it. If you own a shop and then you are mostly interested in your supplier management abilities, you want to be able to keep records of your suppliers, this is the feature that would really help you. So when you go to the main menu, you click inside suppliers management. Now there are two. You either click on supplier records or if you want to add new suppliers. So if you click the supplier records, it brings us here. Okay, and over here we are able to have the details of all the suppliers in our system. Okay, so over here you can also click to add new suppliers. Okay, so let's just go through the process. So then there's the basic information. So let's read what here it says. It's a good practice to record information about your suppliers. Okay, and then Sumundi Keepsales allows you to keep all your supplier information properly organized in a central space. Okay, so you don't have to struggle with trying to find information on your suppliers. You are able to keep all the supplier information in one place. Okay, so when you are doing that, you can just enter the supplier code, you enter the supplier name, and then the lead time, that's the number of days it takes for a supplier to deliver the goods. You can also state here the GST or VAT number, okay, if you have it, and then the currency. Okay, when you go to uh, the supplier address, that's the next section. So after you are done with the basic information, that's entering the basic information for the supplier management, you go to supplier address and payment information. Okay, so over here, you just fill in the forms, okay, the necessary information that you have that you can fill in. Then when you are done with this, you go to the supplier contact information. Okay, so over here, you also want to provide all these details as well. Okay, so DDI is what your supplier's direct dialing number. That's the direct dialing numbers are additional numbers that allow calls to bypass the operator and be directed straight to the required extension. So if your supplier has a DDI, you can also input that as well. And when you are done, you click on add new supplier. Okay, and then the system saves up this information for you. Okay, so when you are done, okay, you are able to view the supplier records that you've saved up so far. Okay, so when you click on this, okay, it brings you over here. Okay, so per the information that you provided, okay, the list is made available for you over here. When you click inside the actions, you are able to edit or view more. Okay, and then also you are able to delete if you have to. Okay, so this is it for your supplier management feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I'll see you again in our next video. We have more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.